My name is Jeffrey Randa. I was born and raised on the east side of Detroit. I was born a long time ago in the early 1960s, product of a nice working class area. Went to Wayne State University on a scholarship. From there I went to the Detroit College of Law, which is now part of the Michigan State School of Law. I've done a postgraduate program in addiction studies at the University of Detroit Mercy after law school, and I've been a lawyer in the Detroit area for nearly 30 years, since 1990. My practice focuses on DUI and driver's license restoration and certain criminal matters. Our practice, geographically speaking, is concentrated in the metropolitan Detroit area. In other words, our DUI and criminal cases are specific to Wayne, Oakland, and Macomb County. My driver's license restoration practice, however, is essentially universal. We represent people no matter where they live in Michigan, no matter where they live in the United States, or even the world if they have a Michigan Secretary of State driver's license issue. I'm a guy that believes a lot in transparency. I'm the only lawyer I know that lists my prices prominently on my website and on my blog. I'm a prolific writer. I like to communicate with my audience. I publish 2 blog articles every week, and I've done that for nearly 10 years. So we have about 1,000 articles on the blog, over 400 regarding driver's license restoration matters, over 300 regarding DUIs. If you can think of a question regarding DUI or driver's license matters or most criminal matters, I've specifically answered it. And if you don't find the subject you're looking for in the title of an article, use the search feature on my blog. I believe strongly in treating people the way I would want to be treated. All of my consultations are conducted over the phone right when you call in. I'm not one of these guys who will make you come in is afraid to quote a fee or won't talk about anything over the phone. We're really friendly people who will be glad to answer your questions and explain things right when you call. I always suggest anybody call us when they have a little time to speak. You can reach us Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. at 586-465-1980. When you call my office, you'll be glad you called. I also tell everybody to be a good consumer and check around. I don't say call now and call nobody else. Call now or call later. Check out every other lawyer you want to talk to before you call me. Or when you're done talking to me, check out every other lawyer out there, but make sure you give me a call as well.